Good morning and welcome. This is the CommexFX Daily Outlook for Thursday, September 25th, 2014. The euro declined 0.55% against the US dollar and closed at 1.2776. Yesterday, the euro further lost ground after the ECB Chief Draghi, in an interview, stated that the central bank would keep its monetary policy accommodative for a considerable period of time. In the US, the new home sales surged 18% on a monthly basis in August to 504,000 units, marking its biggest one-month gain since 1992 and the highest level of sales since May 2008. Meanwhile, number of mortgage applications in the nation dropped 4.1% on a weekly basis in the week ended 19th September, following a rise of 7.9% recorded in the prior week. The pair is expected to find support at 1.2737 and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.2703. The pair is expected to find its first resistance at 1.2834 and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.2897. The British pound fell 0.37% against the US dollar and closed at 1.6331. The pair is expected to find support at 1.6286 and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.6251. The pair is expected to find its first resistance at 1.6385 and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.6449. Trading trends in the pound today are expected to be determined by the Bank of England Governor Mark Carney's speech, the first after Scottish referendum scheduled later today. The US dollar strengthened 0.33% against the Japanese yen and closed at 109.19. Earlier today, data indicated that the Japanese Cooperative Service Price Index rose 3.5% on an annual basis in August, lower than market expectations for a 3.7% gain, and compared to a revised increase registered in the previous month. The pair is expected to find support at 108.66 and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 108.14. The pair is expected to find its first resistance at 109.52 and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 109.87. Going forward, investors would await Japan's crucial CPI data scheduled in the early hours tomorrow. The US dollar rose 0.67% against the Swiss franc and closed at 0.9461. In economic news, Swiss UBS consumption indicates a decline to 1.35 in August, compared to a revised reading of 1.67 reported in the past month. The pair is expected to find support at 0.9411 and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 0.9361. The pair is expected to find its first resistance at 0.9487 and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 0.9513. That was our last currency pair for today. CommexFX continues to travel the world by sponsoring this week's expo in Johannesburg, South Africa, which takes place on the 26th and 27th of September. So if you're anywhere nearby, pass by our booth and meet us in person. Stay in the know by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, circling us on Google+, and of course, subscribing to our YouTube channel. Have a great trading day!